Good morning. This is Louie with Coldwell Banker. I'm standing in the kitchen of 3334 Tweet Place in the Keep. And I really wanted to come out and just check out the sun rise this morning. Been thinking about how our world is changing, and there's going to be more and more people wanting to work from home. And if that's the case, you've got lots out here from 4 acres to 12 acres. And we are offering a view of Colorado that's hard to beat. So this view that I'm looking at, that's Long's Peak and the Flatirons of Boulder running north. You got Trail Ridge Road. You can see the snow up there going all the way around the Mount Evans. Some of the prettiest horse property in Douglas County. Looking all the way south now towards Pikes Peak. How about that? You can hear the birds and you swing around, and that's a dedicated wildlife reserve called Cherokee Ranch. And that ridge that you can see the sun coming up is the village of Castle Pines and Castle Pines Country Club and Castle Pines Golf Club. So if you want to build your dream home, maybe you're one of these people that are going to start working from home going forward. We got 4-acre sites to 12-acre sites, tons of open space, great amenities in a gated area that offer a view of paradise. Check us out. This is Louie with Coldwell Banker. Have a great morning.